Hey guys, Calvin here. When you are gonna watch a football game or a movie at home, but could find no snacks but some peanuts, what will you do? Unlucky me. Fortunately, I've still got some peanuts. 2 recipes for making peanuts in a few minutes is what I'm gonna show you today if you are not allergic to peanuts. Let's get started straight away. The first recipe I'm gonna show you guys is fried peanuts. It's such a simple one. Soaking is to make the peanuts more crispy and keep them from burning when frying them. Soak the peanuts for about 1 to 2 minutes. Keep in mind in here, don't soak the peanuts for too long. I mean over 5 minutes, or the peanuts would never be crispy. Then dry the peanuts and set aside. Three tablespoons of cooking oil and the peanuts in a wok or a pan. Turn on the fire and set the heat on low. Using cold oil and the low heat to fry the peanuts is to make sure the peanuts are fully cooked and they are not easily burned. Fry the peanuts for about 8 minutes until you hear constant crackling sounds. Add some cooking wine to take away some water from the peanuts and lower the temperature on the surface. Then it's the time. Sprinkle some salt and enjoy. It tastes more crispy when the peanuts getting colder. Now we are gonna come to our second recipe, sweet deep fried peanuts, which needs a bit more time because we are gonna coat the peanuts. The first step is also soaking the peanuts, so I'm gonna start with the second step, coating. Add 1 or 2 eggs to the drained peanuts, stirring well, and add 1 cup of corn starch. Stir the mixture until the peanuts get coated. In a large wok or skillet, heat cooking oil over medium to high heat. Pour peanuts in, set heat to low, then fry for about 10 minutes. In here, heat too high would burn the peanuts, so keep in mind, use low heat to slowly fry the coated peanuts until the color turns a bit brown. Remove to a container, we're gonna sweeten them. Heat 8 tablespoons of sugar with 1 cup of water. Give it a little mix and set heat on low to medium. At first, it would be small bubbles on the water like this, and then it would turn to bigger bubbles on the water like this. And the mixture is now a little bit brown and becomes thicker. Then it's time to pour the peanuts in. Stir constantly until there's no liquid in the wok. Alright, it looks great and you can tell it's crispy. Take another one. Can't stop. Which one do you think is better?
The sweet one.
But I like the salty one because it's perfect to go with a beer when watching football games or a movie. That's it. I'm Calvin, restaurant recipe sharer, and I will see you in the next video.